Alright, so first, in order to take off the bypass tray, what we're going to do is
we're going to need to remove this screw here, and I believe this screw here, in order to expose this part right here. Right back here will be our wires, then you'll have one screw here, and one screw here.
then we can see how this will come right off. So I'll go ahead and show a demonstration. Alright, so now that I took off the screw here, then you can see this comes right off. And then this bottom one, it's an optional one. You don't have to take it off.
But this is what we're aiming for. As you can see, this is where the connectors are for the bypass. So, in order to remove the bypass, you have two screws. One right here, and one right there. Once you have those two screws, then we can pull out the bypass, but we gotta make sure those are unlocked. In order to make it a little bit easier,
you can open up here, and then you can see this a little bit more better through here. So I believe one of these wires you're going to have to disconnect in order for the bypass removal. Now that we got it off, you can see
we can start pulling on it. And when you start pulling on it, you can see that this part right here, we're going to have to disconnect those two,
I believe, or just one of them, which will be the blue one. Alright, so I have it like this right now. So as you can see, we'll go ahead and unlock this right here, like so. So this one is for the door. This one will be for your bypass.
Once we disconnect that right there, then as you can see, pull it right down. So when you do install it back in there again, of course you just want to make sure this part right here might be a little wobbly. So you just want to make sure you put it in place like so, right? Once it's in place, you'll just follow along here. You want to make sure that wire is going underneath it, right? Because look, you can get it stuck if you don't get it right.
So make sure you put that wire in first like that, and then you can go in by putting in, add your two screws there, one screw there, and one screw there, and then go ahead and plug it in, like so.